Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. Use equal weights for chocolate and cream because consistency depends on ratio. Heat the cream until it shows small bubbles at the edge. Do not fully boil, then remove from heat immediately. Once done, pour the hot cream over the chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl, let sit for 1 to 2 minutes so the chocolate softens, and then prepare to stir. This first step sets the emulsion that makes ganache glossy and smooth. Now you combine and emulsify. Start stirring slowly, drawing motion from the center outward to coax the chocolate and cream together. Make sure to add a small knob of butter and a pinch of salt for shine and balanced taste. Vanilla can be added now too. If the texture resists, warm it slightly over a double boiler and stir. Alternatively, pulse briefly with an immersion blender, just enough to smooth because overwhipping traps air and dulls the finish. This creates a stable, glossy ganache. Finally, you choose the finish based on temperature. Use warm ganache as a shiny glaze, let it cool to room temperature for pouring and coatings, or chill until firm for truffles. Make sure to cover and refrigerate leftovers, then bring back to room temperature before reuse. If your ganache seizes or separates, do not panic. Reheat gently and whisk in a tablespoon of hot cream to re-emulsify, or strain and blend briefly. This usually rescues texture without losing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.